Say, give me 5. Put your hand out so Daddy can do it. Up high.
You
got me. Give me 5. Up high. Down low. Too slow.
Okay, do it to brother, Eli. Put your hand out and say, give me 5.
You gotta tell him, Eli. Hold your hand out, Eli.
Put your hand down, Eli. Say, give me 5. Eli, you gotta say it. Give me 5. Up high. Down low.
He got you good, Aiden.
You do it to Daddy. See if you can trick Daddy.
How about Eli? How about Eli tries to clap my hand? Eli, high 5. Up high. Down low. Too slow. You should get a slap it.
Tell him, Eli. Say, give me 5.
Wait, die. Okay. You die.
You forgot some, Eli.
You got him good, Eli.
No, I didn't.
You got him good, Eli.